Hi guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I just want to share a very quick basic recipe with you all, which is how to cook pasta in the Instant Pot. This is hassle-free and mess-free. Try this once, you will never cook the pasta on the stove again. All we need is pasta, water, salt and oil. I am adding 2 cups of pasta, 2 cups of water. Make sure that all the pasta is under the water. If not, add a little more. If you want, you can add some salt as per your taste. You can add oil or butter just to avoid the water overflowing when you are doing a quick release. Again, this is optional. Close the lid, seal the vent. Cook the white pasta for 4 minutes. If you want to cook whole wheat pasta, cook it for 6 to 8 minutes. Turn off the keep warm mode to avoid the sticky bottom. Once it's done cooking, release the pressure gradually. Once the pin goes down, open the lid carefully. Look at that, pasta cooked perfectly. Do try this pasta in the Instant Pot. You never go back to any other method. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.